Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Brandy Alexander. All right, here's how to make this. 1 shot of your favorite brandy, or 1.5 ounces. That's the standard shot size, at least here in the States. Then you want to add 1 ounce of creme de coco. That is a chocolate liqueur. You can find this in pretty much any decently sized liquor store. Just ask the person working there. They'll get you right to it. And then 1 ounce of heavy cream, or heavy whipping cream. I think they call it something different in the UK, but I can't remember what it is. Then you just want to pop the top on your shaker and give this a little old shake. By the way, there's ice in the shaker. Then just grab a highball glass and pour it in. Brandy Alexander. Done.